The fifth is tar or caterpillar feeds voraciously for 5 to 7 days and then become lazy and translucent. It begins to search for lonely corners of the tray, raise the interior part of the body and wave side to side. It is indication that caterpillar is ready to form cocoon and enter pupa stage. Cocoon formation. The mature lazy fifth stars are transported to spraying trays called chandrix or chandrikas, montages or coconages. They are bamboo tray over which spiral bamboo taps are fixed to provide size for attachment and support to cocoon. Soon the caterpillars begin to spin cocoon over them. For this, each caterpillar has a pair of long cell glands or sericataries. They are modified through a narrow pore or spinneret present over the hypopharynx. The head moves sideways during secretion of sericataries. On exposure to air, the secretion will divide into a fine silk filament. The filament is wound around the body. The coils are joined together via gumming secretion sericin. The caterpillar takes 3 to 5 days to complete the spinning of the cocoon over it. The larva skin is now cast off and the worm changes into listless stage called pupa or chrysalis. On the 5th or 6th day, the cocoons are harvested and sent to cocoon markets. Example, Ramanagram, the largest in India, feed Laghata. Cocoons are generally oval, whitish or yellowish. Size is 2.5 to 1.5 centimeter. Cocoon are processed for obtaining silk. They are left undisturbed if eggs are required. In pupa, the larval organs are replaced by organs of the imago. As the imago is fully formed, it produces an alkaloid fluid containing enzyme cocoonase. The enzyme dissolves the cocoon at one end to form a hole. The adult moth comes out of the cocoon imago. Adult moth or imago is whitish, yellowish, or greenish in color. It is about 2.5 centimeter long. The female is comparatively larger. Wingspan is about 5 centimeter. Wings are weak, therefore moth fly only rarely, and that also during night. Mouth parts are rudimentary, therefore moths cannot feed. The body is covered with white scales. In males, the antennae are large and plumose. They are used for locating the female, which produces an attractant sex pre-hormone from second gland located in terminal part of abdominal cavity. In male, the abdomen is narrow and long with 8 segments visible externally. In female, the abdomen is broad and short with 7 segments visible externally. External genitalia have a pair of chitinous hooks in male and a Mobidian knob-like projection in female. The males are attracted towards the female by the pheromone produced by the latter. Copulation continues for about 3 hours. Male dies soon after. The female takes about 12 to 16 hours for laying eggs. Some 300 to 500 eggs are laid by the female on dorsal under surface of mulberry leaf. The eggs are small, rounded with flat bottom. There is a micropile for exchange of gases. Extraction of silk. 1 week old cocoons are picked up for extraction of silk. The various processes are as follows. Stifling. It is killing of pupa contained in cocoons by heat or suffocation. The various methods are exposure to extreme dry heat or sunning, fumigation, dipping in hot water. The latter is merely common use as hot water loosens the outer filament due to softening of the cementing material sericin. Reeling silk filaments are unwound from the cocoons by reeling machines. Some filaments are broken. A number of cocoons are unwound simultaneously because a single filament is too thin. A single cocoon is 300 to 800 meter long filament. Degumming. Freshly reeled silk is called raw silk. It contains 75% fibroin and 25% sericin. Serine is removed with the help of acidulated hot water. The silk is also treated chemically to obtain finished silk. Drawing. A number of silk strands are spun together to prepare silk thread used in weaving. About 5,000 to 6,000 cocoons are required to prepare 1 kilogram of silk. Waste silk, outer superficial filaments and damaged cocoons are combed and teased. The filaments are then spun to produce spun silk. Types of silk. Silk is of two types, mulberry silk and non-mulberry silk. Mulberry silk, it is produced by Bombay mori, which feeds on mulberry leaves. The silk is very fine, soft, whitish or creamish, lustrous and strong textile. It is called queen of textile because of its softness, durability, strength and shine. Remotely used in preparation of saris, lady suits and such. Non-mulberry silk, it is silk produced by silkworm which belong to species other than Bombyx mori. They feed on plants other than mulberry. Three common non-mulberry types of silk are as follows: Tassar kosa silk. It is obtained from a number of Antheraria species: A. Mylietta, A. Papia alrolei. The silkworm feeds on leaves of sal, Soria robusta, Arjun, Terminalia arjuna, jujube or bar, Gigifus, mori, sienna, fig, Fucus caraica, and oak. Quercus species cocoons are large size. Tassar is brown in color. Sienna is less than that of mulberry silk. It is used in preparation of saris, ladies, suits, and men clothing. Muga silk, it is obtained from cocoons of Anthracia asama. The silk feeds on the leaves of oak and some Macillus bombicina found in Sivaskar area of Assam. Muga silk is golden yellow in color. It is used in embroidery as well as the preparation of textiles. Eri or Arandi silk, it is obtained from Attacus recini or Philosomia recini that feeds on leaves of Castor Ricinus communis and papaya. The silk is creamy white and durable. It is, however, does not possess gloss found in other silk. Eri silk is used in textiles. Economic importance. Silk is finest textile fiber which is known for its softness, luster, and durability. It is mixed with other textile fiber to produce terry silk and coated silk. Because of its strength and durability, it is used in manufacture of parachutes, filter cloth, fishing, fiber, insulation, coil, etc. Agriculture provides employment to a large number of persons, some 7.56 million in India. It earns a lot of foreign exchange for India. It is cotton industry and can be undertaken by villager on a large scale. Larva excreta is a good manure. Empty cocoons are used in stuffing and preparation of decorative articles.